I hit this issue to date and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to link your bank account on Telefonica, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Telefonica app. Launch the Telefonica app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find and select payment methods. This is where you can manage your bank account and other payment options. Step 4. Add bank account. Choose the option to add bank account. You will need to enter your bank details, including account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Just a quick note, double check your account number to avoid any issues. A small typo could lead to failed transactions. I hope this guide helps you link your bank account smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.